our workshops are facilitated with the smoke and dust collection system, so we can protect the environment during the production process. Okay, now let's finish the first part. We are going to the second workshop, mainly produce the concrete block machine. Let's go. Now we are at the production base of the concrete block machine. In this production base, we have around 10 workshops for different technology craft like the welding, the painting, the shearing, the cutting, CNC lasing, and the other process of production. And we adopt around 100 various equipment or tools for the production of machines or the inspection of the finished machines, to ensure that the finished machines are qualified for the international market. Now we can produce the AC concrete block machine, the hydraulic block machine, the mechanical block machine, and the other relative block machines here. Each year we can produce around 2,000 sets of concrete block machines here and deliver to the whole world. We sincerely hope to work with more customers from the whole world, and we are the reliable supplier for you. Now let's move to the storage area for the fast-moving machines. Let's go. Now we are at the storage area of the fast-moving machines. Most are the hydraulic concrete block machine. And this block machine, the capacity changes from 4 pieces each mold to 15 pieces each mold. And the mold is changeable, means with one machine, different mold can produce different kind of blocks. So based on your request. And now let's move to the workshop of the mold. Have a look. Let's move. Now we walk inside the workshop for the production of mold. All the molds behind me are made of the manganese steel with very high strength. Now we adopt the wire cutting technology. Even the irregular shaped mold can be cut easily as well. And the mold will be polished to ensure the surface is smooth and the finished block in the same height. The mold frame is welded underwater to prevent the frame structure from transformation. All above the technology adoption prolong the life of the mold, ensure the finished block qualified. And that's all the introduction of the production base of the concrete block. Thank you for your time. Thank you.